I think that this steamer is definitely the most beautiful ship in the world. It was designed as a style icon more than a century ago by the pioneers of navigation, planned and architected by the best engineers of the time, and crafted from the finest, most durable materials. The attention to detail reveals the pride and dedication the craftsmen and technicians put into building her. It is both an honor and an obligation for me to maintain this venerable lady in her former glory, now a century later. It is a matter of course that I don't compromise in the tools used. Admittedly, though, not all the tools originated in the Belle Epoque. But there's still one thing my tools have in common with a steamer. They're examples of what I mean by Swiss quality.